recording.
Hey guys, today I'm opening this.
It's an
Good bath bomb.
I'm going to turn it so you can put it there.
And it looks like,
I'm sorry, I'm close.
and it totally looks like that.
This is our room.
Yep.
No, like, here, I'm going to hold it up. She's opening this little ball that comes down here. It's a dice thing.
Oh, can you help me, Kaylin?
Those are hard.
Yeah. They're so hard. Yeah, we were playing Clue earlier.
No, I have to give them out.
Nice. And want to know why we have these butter knives? We're gonna use them for a bath bomb.
Ooh, little like bikini pants. Shut up.
Ooh, it's so cute. Look
I'm
at
sorry, I gotta
this.
use my teeth. It's
It's
so hard.
little bikini pants. It's a cute skirt.
And then we got a cute top.
Ooh, a cute top
Show
for
it.
it. A cute top for it.
I'm gonna do a cute little like pants.
Ooh. It looks like these are gonna be
Another shirt for gel that goes with that one.
Yep.
Shoes.
Ooh, we'll put these here.
Yeah, our little gel. Ooh, look, a little gel shirt. I can't
Yep,
find
it's
the
a
camera.
cute gel shirt. It's a cute gel shirt.
And more cute little shoes.
Wait, no, keep the cute shoes in their boxes.
Here, put the cute shoes in. I'm sorry, we're not good to open this. We just started.
Yep.
Okay, time for the big bath bomb.
Here, Kaylin, take that out, and we have to take all of this stuff out.
Ooh. The Pearls Prize thing. It's a big sticker for us. Here.
You do that
Here.
while I fill this up with water.
No. Don't, yeah, fill it up with a little bit.
Yeah.
I got it open. Just so you know, it's a big shell. I'm going to put it in some water and then see what we got. I could do a little ASMR right now. Okay. At least I'm trying. Oh, give me 1 second.
Yep. I have the water bottle.
Be careful. Gotta hold it up.
Wait.
Oh, we gotta place it on the placemat.
Yep. Put the paper.
Sorry, I just knocked over the shoes.
Okay. Carefully do it.
Because we're not gonna do any tub.
Yep. I'm not doing it in our tub.
Because our mom's gonna take a shower soon.
Yep. And I have my
What is
butter knife.
Oh my god. So much
What
wrapping
does it
around
feel
this.
like?
So much wrapping around this.
There's more.
Here.
Let's use a butter knife to stab into it. The water's nice and cold. The water is so cold right now. And that LOL thing is mine. It's
Yeah.
totally mine. But I'm just letting my sister help me. And she's the one that made the first video on my channel.
My hair was down.
But yep, we only have one video. And if you're watching it's live right now.
It's not live.
It will be live right now.
It's not live.
Ooh. Put it in. I'm ready to cut it.
Stop. It's filling up, Jay. Stop. Stop.
Well, the water's orange. Oh.
Stop, Jay. Stop.
Here, let me cut it.
Stop, you know.
Ooh, Kaylin, it's gonna overflow.
Maybe we should get something else.
Yeah.
We need something else to put this in. So I'll get like a bowl from downstairs.
Here, Kaylin, put it in back in the shell thingy. Oh, Kaylin.
It has too much water.
Let me get
Dump some water out at the
the water.
hold this foamy mess.
Yeah, hold
Here,
the
I'll show you
foamy.
guys it. It's like foamy.
Yeah, it's so foamy.
Sorry, but it's like super foamy and I can't
Yeah,
show you.
KK, you have to open the door for me.
I'm sorry, but my hands are so foamy. I don't think I can.
I can't open the door with this big thing. Can't handle this foam.
This makes like a foam bag. Look at my hands. I'm gonna go and like wash them.
I just like that. And it says, give it back. Here, put it back in the water. Yep. We're gonna start cutting into it. It's
So
hard.
this filminess. That's why I want to put it in the glass. But then we'd have to wear a bathing suit.
Yeah. And I don't really want to wear a bathing suit. Stab.
Don't stab up my hand. So we'll just let it freeze. Maybe we should let this side freeze.
Yep.
Ooh!
A pearl. Here, you dig in while I wash this off. You dig in. Kaylin, I think it's time to use our hands to dig in. I think it's time to just dig with our hands.
Still time to use my...
Ew. Kaylin, I'm gonna take my hands out and wash them. Watching the video, Kaylin, see that
So busy.
thingy?
Guys, Jay, we gotta place it in the tub.
What?
Bring it to the bathroom.
Bring it to the bathroom. Okay, I'll bring it to the restroom. Yep, this is the hall. You just see me here because we're putting something in the bathtub in case it overflows.
It's just gonna spout.
Wait.
Kaylin,
Kaylin,
keep the camera.
you have to hold it.
You start digging with knives. Oh my gosh, it's so... We need new water.
So cool. It's so
Put
cool.
new water. I'm sorry, just hold the camera. You can be the cameraman now. My turn.
Okay, I'm being camera lady.
It's my turn to do the message.
Yes, that's where it was. Nope, that was it. And yeah, we're in the restroom because
Let's not leave it.
opening that big thing is a pain. Kaylin, you have to be camera. I'm not too good at camera. A camera.
Sarah can be camera, you can be camera.
No, it's hard for me. You have to be camera. Guys, we're putting down the camera. In 5, 4,
Do not drop it.
3, 2, 1. Sorry, you're drawing right now. You can't see what we're doing.
This is a crazy operation. I don't like it all this.
People watching.
That's why I don't like it all like that.
Yeah. LOL bathrooms are kind of hard to get open.
Now I just need this one.
But I needed one of
Still
those.
like that. Let's clear off this. Little thing.
Here, open
this
the
side.
pearl. Dump that out.
Still
Come on, Kaylin, let's go back in the
But there's
in our
still chunks
room.
that need
Here, I'm gonna bring this back in our
I'll
room.
fit all the cheesy chunks.
Hey guys, here is the pearl. Yep, that's the... Nope. Yep, that's the pearl with my shoe there. Nope. That's the pearl. And... Yep, they're blind again. Sorry. Turn the camera. What? Oh my. We can show you everything. Oh no, the camera's upside down. Hello? Hello? It was upside down.
Okay, like, you have to open them. Here, let me get all
Maybe we
these.
should have just done some baby food.
Kaylin, but KK, at least we're almost through the video. Kaylin, I think you're sitting on some LOL accessories. We're still missing something. We got baby. The lighting's so bad. I forget her name. We're missing somebody. Something. We're missing something, KK. We're not. Yes, we are. We're missing a top. We're missing a top. There's still nothing in here. No, there's nothing. Well, pretty cool. She saw. Kaylin. We got the adult version of her. We're missing a top right now. We're missing the... Yeah. And we got their baby bottle. So cute. Oh, we're not missing a top. Now the baby. So this is what we got. We got a baby. Wait, I think the baby goes in this thing. And an adult. Dude, what is she? Let's find out. She is not a peer. Yay. I don't like peers. I'll go see what she is.